Introducing Kubota's new KX040-5. This is the best 4-ton unit in the market, hands down. It's got the new wider cab, a little bit more leg room, 40 horsepower Kubota diesel engine, just a flagship model for Kubota. This is equipped with a 6-in-1 blade. Not only can you angle it, you can twist it, cut a little grade, put a little slope in. It's got 2 auxiliary ports for attachments. In other words, you could run the auger, not that you would need to, and operate the thumb. But for a mulching application, to have the capability of still using the thumb is really important. So this is going to be a great addition for Kubota. Nice, roomy cab, backup camera. I mean, it is loaded out, and we're so excited to get this. Come see it at Coleman Tractor.